Welcome to the channel again. Today I'm gonna make a shirt. I'm gonna do it with my Cameo Silhouette 3. I don't have the 4, no. And the Studio, I just updated it. It's a Silhouette Studio with my heat press, and I'm just gonna show you the little process I go through. And this right here is the design first. So okay, I pulled up my stitch file or my cut file on Studio. It's mirrored because I'm doing vinyl glossy for HTV, heat transfer vinyl. And I'll do a tutorial on how to do all of this, but here's gonna be the cut file. This is just for doing this shirt itself. Give me a second while I show you. That's the cut file though. From here we go to send. Right here is ready to go into the Silhouette machine. You choose your options over here on the side. I don't know if you can see it. Just make sure that your cut is gonna be deep enough. So I got it on blade depth 5, vinyl glossy. And you can probably see if it lets you. Vinyl glossy, blade depth 5. And then it's on Bluetooth, so you can see it says ready down there. Got this GoPro on the tripod, I can't really see it. And we'll send it to the Silhouette. Here's the cut mat. Here's the black vinyl I'm gonna use. HTV vinyl. Cutting.